Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a cleaning shortcut to your DJI ROMO S. A cleaning shortcut will let you start cleaning with your robot with a certain preset of settings, which means that, for example, you can preset certain rooms to be cleaned, so only certain rooms will be cleaned, or you can preset it to have a certain suction power or some other settings. And to do it, you can see by default there are three shortcuts here: the daily cleaning, deep cleaning, and fine vacuum. When I click on them, they tell you what they do. So it's vacuuming only. This one, the fine vacuum, is only vacuuming. It is using the standard power mode and doing just one repetition. If I click on edit, I can see more about it. So it is doing a fine route, one task, of course. Suction power is standard. You can also enable turbo mode. Now, if I were to add a new one, I could click on more and click on plus in the top right corner. Now select the zones to clean. So just click on your rooms. If you have multiple ones, you can select them. Now you can select the cleaning mode. So you can select vacuum and mop, vacuum then mop, vacuum, or just mop. Let's do just mop because I don't have a shortcut for that. Now I can select the water flow level. Let's set it to low or even extra low. Now total tasks, 1, 2, or automatic. I'll do 2 total tasks, but I'll set the water flow level to high, and I can set the route. I'm gonna set it to fine route, which means it's just gonna clean more precisely, and you can do it like that. You can also set it by rooms. So for different rooms here at the top, if you have multiple ones, you will be able to set different settings. Now, once that's done, let's click on save. Let's enter our task name, like fine mopping, and click on done. Now it is going to be saved. And that's how you add a shortcut. In order to play it, just click on that shortcut and start. I think it may be there may be some problem with my Wi-Fi. Yes, I am connected to the wrong network. So let's connect to a different one. Now let's see. Yeah, it is saved now. So if I want it, I could click on it and go back, find fine mopping, click on it and start cleaning with fine mopping option. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.